So when you first get to the property, street sign, that's all the way down over there. Mailbox, that's all the way over there. Mailbox with the number, or if the house has a number, then take the picture of the front of the house. Get your number, open your door. So I've been lucky that these houses has power and I can charge these. I can't charge them up fast enough. I think I'm about to switch up, but all we're doing here is a pressure test. Alright, like I said, I'm lucky I have battery. I don't know, something's wrong with my big boy battery there. It's not charging fast enough or something. These batteries are all old. But we're just trying this a second trial. We're gonna pump air in here, just pressure test. See if this can handle it for what I do, because I'm tired of taking a generator. I'm tired of taking a generator and an air tank that's and 200 feet of wire and all that, cord and hoses, or you drag it all the way in here. But I just like to leave it there. So, alright, so we're gonna check this thing out, see if it's gonna work. If it's not, then it is what it is. Got your gauge shooting up 2 airs, right? To the hot and cold side. Come around the outside, look for any spigots or anything. Shut them off. Just real quick. All right, this one shut off. So find the water hose outside, turn it off. Walk around the whole thing. It might have it. This is just a check. This is nothing but a check. Winterize and check, that's all it is. So shut off that one. Let's put this nozzle off, I can see. And always have in your back pocket vice grips, something that you can take these off. Luckily I can get it by hand. You don't want to come back, you don't want to run back and forth to your truck. So that's clear. That's shut off. Don't forget the front of your house and the number and a street sign. Most important thing, street sign, front of the house, number. You don't want to come back. All right, so we're back to the front of the house again. It's saying green, so it's charging. Must have been really dead. Or I think that one's broken and only has one light to turn on. Hopefully that is the thing. Put a small battery in there. Small battery and old, so let's see what this could do for me, you know. I just need a little bit of air. Now you have to go through all these nozzles and make sure they're off. That's all. Now you go inside the house. They got the tags already. Start shutting those off. Those off. This property still has furniture. Still going through the process. See how everybody got that money to push the stuff to the middle of the room. Sink. sink, go down there, turn those valves off, and you should be good for down here. You should be good. Then you gotta go upstairs and turn those valves off. So you gotta remember, turn the valves off, because sometimes it doesn't work up there and you gotta do it on here. That's why you can shut them off there and hopefully it works. But then you might be running through all the rooms, upstairs, downstairs, everywhere to shut off the valve. So if you get to it, it sucks, just get it done. So see, now this had a master bathroom. Turn all those things, close all of them. Turn the one down there. Turn that off. Turn that off. Keep the light on. I like to hear the sound, you know. I like to hear the sound of the water. So now we're upstairs, turning everything off. So turn it off. Turn that off. Turn that off. Close these. And I like to turn them off on the bottom too. So this is just a refresh. So like this was already done. So the basic thing is it's a pressure test and a recheck. And so much shit is that. But this thing been since last year. So turn that off. I mean, you do got a couple gallons of water if you want to dump it on there and get paid. But I don't know. If I do that, then you get paid to clean the bowl. So it is what it is, stacking up the money. It's nasty shit you deal with. It ain't pretty, it ain't beautiful shit, man. I'll tell you that. Then we have to go to the fucking basement. I have no way. You gotta remember, when you're up here shutting off everything for the job, you just recheck. So it's supposed to have all its tags, supposed to have everything. You take a picture of all that, because you don't want to keep on walking up and down stairs. So shut off the valve, shut off that. You definitely don't want to walk up and down stairs. Minimum stair walk. You have to think about everything. All right. So we gotta go down here before we turn on the air. Dark basement. And then when you're down here, you check if you can find some. You check if you can find a busted pipe, broken pipe. That's what you're looking for right now while you're down here. Another bathroom here. This shuts it off down here. And this don't have no tags in it, so you always have tags to re-tag your shit. But it just was supposed to be already done. You know, that's just supposed to be already done. Like, you should have all the tags, everything. It looks like the person ran out of tags or something like that. Or just didn't look everywhere. Fucking spider webs everywhere, sorry. Fucking shut off those. I still got 3 bars, it looks, it says. Let's see if it lasts. I put the air in, 30 pounds to 40 pounds, whatever. If you're just pumping air to see if it has any leaks, you don't need that much. Because if it don't have leaks and you pull a lot of, you might bust something, pop something real quick, but 35 is enough. This thing ain't that powerful to keep on cycling in. Open up the valve. You hear that? Air going in. And I already hear something. Oh, the water hose down there got me. The water hose down there got me. Now this is gonna not give it. All right. So I'm gonna try to pinch this hose. So that's not gonna give a right reading. Oh shit. Let me go. Let me do it. How to cap that off. One of the caps. You can charge it for it. See if it's in your pre-approved and stuff that you could do. And you could cap anything that water comes out of. You know, that washer and dryer hook up. Well, that's where the air was coming out of. I mean, he's still running up and down the stairs. It's like, fuck, man. This is definitely exercise. Alright, we're gonna refire again. Refire again. And let's see what we got. Now I'm just gonna try to hear for something. It's like even if something goes wrong. So I think one of the valves ain't working. Alright, I mean, I let that thing crank a little bit, but I didn't know which one was off, so now I know down is off. That won't happen again. No air coming out of here. See, if you don't do something right, you're gonna be walking up and down the stairs. Just hearing to make sure that it's not doing, air's not doing. But I think this busted down. I think down in the basement they're busted. I definitely do think that, and I can hear it. And see, I messed up because I didn't take a picture of the compressor when I first got here. When I first started pumping air, you have to they want pictures of, so they can start the time basically. Because you have to be here a certain amount. They say, unless it's a broken pipe and you can prove it. But here's what it is. I messed up. I should have started the air compressor. Well, like I said, I hear you're gonna run up and down, but so this thing's still messing with me. I gave it the cap. I'm gonna give it right back to them. Now, this right now ends the pressure test. So, I got this shut off. I shut it off up there. And try to tighten up that thing. So I tried to cap off that, but all the air is coming out of that, as you see. Shut off valve. So I follow this line. This red wall. So to try to shut this off somewhere else, just follow it. The code. See where it goes. Clicks into here, clicks into there, shit off there, so there's no water going there. You follow the line back again. You follow the hot side. Follow. And where's the hot side? Alright, one of these are the hot side. Follow. No shut off valves. So when it gets here, there's no shut off valve, so we're already hit. I mean, they should have had a shut off valve somewhere. Should have put a shut off valve right here. But this ends it. So when you find stuff like that, now you don't have to wait. Because the thing is, getting the air to the system. That's the thing, getting the air to the system. So that was the test for this thing. Oh man. Oh no. I ain't sure. I'll check how long was that. This is flashing. These are, oh no god, these are 4s. All I got is really 4s, man. Let's see. Full battery. Shut this off. So the air leak down there stopped the winterization. So I got all my pictures. You gotta make sure. It's all spider webs and bugs everywhere, man. Hit my face and, you know. So this right here, when I wear this and the hat, the spider webs don't get me. Sometimes when I put glasses on, it really don't get me. But sometimes you can feel them crawl along you. It freaks you out. All right, so that stops the winterization. Took a picture of that, took pictures of sinks, toilet bowls, blase. Took a picture of all that. Sinks, let's see, sinks, toilet bowls, dishwasher, washer machines, check all that. Tags all there. I found them, they're on the floor, they just fell. And now we're off our way. If you can find it quick. If you can find it quick, you're out of there quick. You know what I mean? If you can find it quick. But now that was the test for the Milwaukee, you know what I mean? See if that can. I think that's my. I got one more winterization to try out with that thing. The problem I'm having now is keeping them charged. And my inverter messed up. So I was like, man, now I gotta buy another inverter. All right, so it filled up, it stopped with the 4-amp battery, got 3 bars, so I might, if I got that one, the big boy, so I might need another one of those. But I have to figure out this inverter shit, you know, because I gotta power these things. I bought a cheap one thinking I was gonna power. This is just, these don't all power, it just jumps one by one. This one supposed to power everything faster, so I gotta figure out how I get these batteries working. Like 6 of these could do one house, but I need them to charge a little faster. So it looks like 2 of those I used to try to do this house, but I was finished quick, so 1. In reality, 1. So if I keep that one, I might can make it. Just trying out, see if this thing works, man. Property preservation. So I took a picture, I locked the door, that's locked. Look what they left. All those cars, I mean, unless the bank filed a claim on them and they already got paid for them, still, you still have to let it sit for a while. Do all this damn paperwork. I mean, you could do it. It takes a while. Alrighty. We're out of here to the next one. 12 o'clock, so. The other jobs I can't do because they're just too far away. So, I like to put all my jobs together and get it all done, but this one, I got one more job. I gotta pick up a washer and dryer. I'll take a video of that. So, you gotta hustle. I filled in a spot that I had open. And that's what you gotta do here, man, to survive here. It's just surviving, brother. Nothing crazy. Try to save up money, food, house rent, mortgage. Alright, let me get down. Gotta get down from here now. Took the pictures before, during, and after. Remember, street sign, address, number. If you can't get it, take a picture GPS. Take it before, that's dirty. During, that you're blowing it out, scooping it out. After, that's clean. Both ways, down that way, and a clear shot. Both sides. Chimney cap as well. Take a picture of it not having a chimney cap. Take a picture of you pulling out the box that you bought it in. Take a picture you're done. A couple pictures of those going around, you screwing it in, and you're out of there. So I gotta pick up this washer and dryer and a snow blower from one place and drop it off to another. Something that we have to do. So now I'm sitting here. It said 5:30. They said 5:30 they're gonna be here. It's 5:27. It's dark. Just got back. I couldn't record on that one. Sometimes you can't record everything. But quick cash. Made a check. It is what it is, and we're gonna make it do what it do.